Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez. Today I'm going to show you how I did this $3 scroll quote, all with items from Dollar Tree. Now these are the supplies that we will be using: craft paper, jute twine, scissors and tape, and a wall decal. Dollar Tree does have a wide selection of wall decals. Now, starting with the craft paper, unroll it to about your desired length, and you are going to roll the bottom depending on how thick you want your scroll to be. Now, this specific craft paper is from Lowe's. It is a thinner craft paper used for painting, and you can buy the longer Dollar Tree one and just trim it down to size, or you can just make a very wide sign. That is depending on how you would like it. And I am going to use this wall decal. That's why it is thinner, and I am going to cut out the words so that I can see how long I am going to need it. I do like the layout that they suggest, so I will follow that. And I'm just playing out with the layout of the leaves. And again, I like what they suggested, so that's what I'm going to go for. Once you have the layout, unroll more of it and cut at an excess so that you will have your top roll of the scroll. Repeat the same that you did at the bottom on the top, again rolling it up to your desired width, and we are going to be using the transparent tape to secure it from unrolling. You could also use paper clips if you'd like. That way you can unroll it if you want to change it, but it's just as easy to add more tape, which I do end up doing later on in the video. Once your top and bottom of the scroll are secure, we are going to be taking the backing off of the decal and lightly pressing it on the paper. Pass your finger over it just to make sure it adheres and there are no air bubbles. And you are going to repeat that for all of the pieces. And this is what it looks like with all the decals on. It really looks as if I had amazing handwriting and did it myself. And as you can see, it's off more to one side than the other. So I am going to take off the top one and move it just a little bit. But that goes to show you how easy it is to do this. They are repositionable, so you can change this sign for the season or anytime you pretty much feel like it. Quickly adjusting my top scroll again. Now we're going to move to the jute twine. It is going to go through, and you are going to see how I had a bit of a hard time putting it through because it just kept rolling in there. It would not come out the other end. So I quickly went to get a straw. It was easier to loop it through that and then just loop the straw through the top scroll. And again, I like to cut at an excess because it's always easier to take off than it is to add on. And I did see the desired length for my twine, made a simple knot, and again, cut off the excess. And then just pull through so that the knot is not part of what you see. Here is my finished $3 scroll. I hope you are inspired to create your own. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if this is something you will be trying. Thank you again, and have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.